by our Arden's theorem and followed by your 5 to 10 minutes test. Okay, so be prepared for that also. So all the questions in the test will be from the lectures that we have covered. So nothing will be outside of it. So see. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so as usual, I am posting all the recorded lectures in my playlist at the end of the Friday. I think at the end of the day, I will also post the notepad link of the YouTube lectures that I posted. So don't worry about that also. Okay. So now this question is again the similar one that is done earlier. If you see the pattern in the previous one, if I just take it out. Uh, just see from the group one. Okay, so if you clearly see the pattern here, I have told you that if the length of the string is even, so you can write it like this: x length, where x belongs to a and b, x mod to 0, and where the length of the string is odd, so you can also write it like this: x mod to equal to 1. Okay, so if you clearly see the pattern here, the pattern here was a plus b raised to power 2 raised to power n plus 1. So pattern is already in it. If you clearly see the pattern of this, it was a plus b raised to power 2 uh, n plus 0. Okay, so 2n plus 0 is one and the same thing. So 2n, it means that it will become 2n. So n here is your star, so replace this n with star, you will get the same thing. Okay, so now if you see for the pattern here, that is also written here. If you derive out the pattern, so divisible by 3, it's just like saying that the length of the string mod 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so when it is 0, it means when you divide 3 by the length of x, you will get the remainder of 0. It means it is completely divisible. Okay, so there is no remainder left behind it. Okay, so again you see the pattern here. I think you can easily do this. Can anybody tell me the answer here? Just post it. Just let me get my. Okay, so just post the answer. I think you know the answer. It is already there. Okay. Yeah, I think Fanindra has got the right one. It's just a plus b raised to power 3. If you say it like this, star. Okay, so you can also write it like this: 3n is replaced by star. You know about it. So a plus b, a plus b, and a plus b. Okay, so if you clearly see this whole thing will be uh, there is a whole bracket on it, on these three. After that it is raised to power a star. So you can also write it like this, or you can write it like this, or you can also write it like this: a plus b raised to power 3 raised to power star. Okay, so raised to power 3 raised to power star. If you solve it, it is just 3 star. It is one and the same thing. Okay, so anything you raise to power, it will 3 raised to power 1, it is multiplied by 3 raised to power 2. It means it 3 is raised to the multiple time of 2. Okay, so 3 raised to power 3 is 9 here, so it is raised to power 9. Okay, so it is one and the same thing. This and this is also similar. Okay, so now if you see the next question, it says, now it is a bit different here. If I think if you recognize the pattern here, it is again x mod 3 equal to 0. So 3n plus 0, it was the pattern here. If you clearly see, again it is written like this: 3 mod w mod 3 equal to 2. I think you will get the answer here. Can anybody tell me the answer? Yeah, Siddharth, the quiz is today. Don't worry about that. Okay. So I think Fanindra has got the right one. Priya has also got right. Okay. So if again the pattern is again here. Okay. So if you do not understand it, again go for the language, build a language here. So that will be a better understanding, and then convert it into a regular expression. Okay, so but for mod questions, it is very easy to draw a regular expression. So the pattern is in the question itself. Okay, so it will be like this, that you are raising to the power, you are raising everything to the power of 3 and adding 2 to it. Okay, so that is the part. So it can be written like this: a plus b raised to the power 3, uh, raised to the power 3. Sorry for that, I think I got that wrong. Okay, so a plus b raised to power 3n plus 2, or it can also be written like this, that a plus b, a plus b, a plus b, whole raised to the power 3, sorry for that, whole raised to the power star, so it becomes your 3 star or 3n, and you write 2a plus b here, so it can be written like this, 2a plus b from here. So now if you see that it is uh, a plus b raised to power 3 and it is a plus b raised to power 2. Okay, so bases are same, you can add the power, so it will become 3 star plus 2. Okay, so it can also be written like this: a plus b, 3 star plus 2. Okay, so n is usually denoted by a star, so keep that in mind if you're writing n. So n should always be greater than equal to 0, so it is donating, it is denoting star here. So star is what your clean closure, keep that in mind. Okay, so now the next questions are a bit different. Now it is saying that the input alphabet is A, B, so that is the same. Okay, so for every question, I think the input alphabet will be same. It is saying the number of A's have to be exactly 2. Okay, so if you remember the automata, you can again draw the automata and draw the regular expression. But I think you should try it yourself and post the solution. What will be the answer here? At exactly 2, the number of A's has to be exactly 2. B can be anything, I do not need to worry about that. Okay, whenever you do not need to care about B here, or just write a star on it. Okay, okay, so Fanindra, I think, got the right answer. Yeah, Ishan, your answer, okay, seems correct, but again, the string that contains B A B, B A B, BABA. Okay, Ishan, in your BABA is not possible. Okay, so that is why you, if you between these A, you write a B star, that will be very good. I think Rishika has also got the right answer. Okay, so if you clearly see the automata, if I just draw the automata, if you remember it, there has to be exactly 2 A's. So if you build the automata, it will become very clear to you that if you do not want to take care of, now there are 2 A's in the automata, I do not need to worry about B, so I just do a self loop of B. Okay, so if you see automata, it will become more clear that what is the regular expression related to that. So it can be B star, any number of B's can come in the starting, I do not need to worry about that, followed by a 1 A. After that, any number of B's can come in the starting, followed by a. In the end, any number of B's can come. Okay, so if you're writing the expression like this, what will happen in this: B star followed by 2 A's, followed. Now we are just making it permanent that the A should always be followed by a A. Okay, so the question, it has to be followed, it has to be exactly 2 A's. I do not need to worry about the order of the A's. Okay, so if from this regular expression, this string is not possible, because it should be in the language, it only contain 2 A's also. Okay, so if you are again need to just confirm that you are drawing it correct, if you just draw the automata again, that will become more clearer to you. Okay, so we are just practicing, so by practice you do not need to worry about that thing right now. Okay, so first try to build it yourself. If you're not able to do it, then build the automata, then it will become so much easy if you build the automata. Okay, so there are some automatas in which it will become very easy, but there are some automatas that the regular expression becomes very difficult for that
हेलो
also. Yeah, hello.
सर
Yes.
सर इसमें क्वेश्चन है मतलब जो हम बी स्टार लिख रहे हैं हम बी स्टार दो बार ही लिख रहे हैं जैसे बी स्टार ए बी स्टार मतलब बी स्टार ए एंड देन फिर से बी स्टार लिखा हमने,
हम्म।
ठीक है। अब सर स्टार की वैल्यू जो है वो 0 1 से लेके मतलब कुछ भी हो सकती है।
इन्फिनिटी
तो
तक हो सकता है।
हाँ सर, बट अब जैसे मान लो स्टार की वैल्यू 1 है,
हम्म।
ठीक है, तो वो जो स्ट्रिंग बनेगी वो मेरी क्या बनेगी, बी ए।
बिल्कुल।
बट सर बट सर बी ए भी तो पॉसिबल हो सकता है।
हाँ, हो सकता है।
तो सर उसमें स्टार, हाँ तो सर उसमें स्टार की वैल्यू क्या होगी फिर?
Okay, okay, okay. I am getting it. What you are going with. Okay. So what are you saying exactly? I understand your point. Exactly, this star is independent of this star. Okay.
हाँ
So
सर, वो
this,
फिर हमें वो अलग रखने पड़ेंगे ना।
हाँ, आप m लिख दो इसे, अगर आप n
हाँ
में डालते
सही,
हैं
हाँ ये सही है,
तो
ठीक है।
m n o लिख दो इसे। Yeah, absolutely correct. So Fanindra, I think wrote n. Okay, so that will be wrong if that is correct. You're bilkul exactly valid point here. Okay, so n m and o, so this should be independent of this. So if you write like star, that is already understood that these are independent of each other. Okay, so if you are writing it in notation, so follow different notations. I have told you that a raised to power n and b raised to power n, uh, for this type of expression to be needed, we have to have a memory. Okay, so for group 2 I haven't told you about this, don't worry about that. Okay, so that I will told you in the next lecture. Okay. Okay, so now I think you understand my point here, that this star is independent of this star. If you want to write it in that notation, use this different symbol, so that I can tell you that there is no dependency between these three P's. Okay. Okay. So now if you see that, now it will become a little bit of more complicated question here, and it is saying that the number of ways had to be at least two. Okay. So I think if you draw the automata, it will be fairly clear to you, but I suggest you should try without it. Okay, first try without it. After it, now it is just saying uh, at least two. So this is exactly two. So till here, it something will be similar. After that, something will change. Okay, so just try it yourself and post the answer. Okay, so I think Chirag has got the right answer. Absolutely, yeah. Uh, Mayank, B A star. Okay. So Mayank, you are okay. I that is interesting expression by Mayank. Just let me draw it. It seems correct, but if anybody is able to prove it wrong, A is also star. Okay, B is star, A is star, followed by a followed by a. Okay, so Mayank, in this, it seems very much valid. But if I just try out a string here, uh, at least a to a should be there. Okay, so okay, so a b a, yeah. So this is not possible with it. Okay, so if you take a from here, so I take a from here, and b from here, I take a b from here, and a from here, that is okay. But it is permanently followed by a. So I think that is, this string is not possible. ABA is not possible in your language. That is little bit of modification required. I think uh, everybody got the right idea. Okay, Varun has also a very interesting expression. Let me just write it. A plus b. So every expression has a different, uh, I again say that every regular expression can have a different output. Don't worry about it. It doesn't mean that what I'm saying is right. It also means that what you are drawn is also correct. So just let me verify it. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so I think Varun expression also seem very interesting. A plus b followed by a, then any number of a's and b's can come, and then followed by a, then any number of a's and b's can come. I think that also seem very correct. Okay, so if any string that is not generated by this, then let me see. any number of A's can come in the starting. Okay, so exactly two A's are here, so that expression is also correct. Okay, so if you do this, this is also correct, because it is just saying that I do not care about there has to be exactly two A's. Okay, so two A's condition is satisfied. After it any number of A's and B's can come, before it any number of A's and B's can come. I don't think that nothing is wrong with it, so I think that is also the correct regular expression. Okay, so okay, there are so many regular expressions, just let me try one or two. I will try sparsh auto sparshes regular expression. Just let me see, B star A, B star uh, A, B star A. Okay, so exactly two is after that. Yeah, that also seems correct. Let me see that if I am able to derive any string. A is two rays will exactly be there, but what happens if I do this? A, B, A. Now this is not possible. Okay, so if you see, uh, A come from here. Okay, A come from here.
में बी स्टार ऐड कर देंगे तो सही हो जाएगा ना
एंड में
हाँ सर इसमें अगर एंड में हम बी स्टार ऐड कर दें तो शायद
अगर
सही हो
बी स्टार ऐड कर दो, लेट मी
हाँ
सी, बी यहाँ से आ गया, चलो ठीक है। उसके बाद ए यहाँ से आ जाएगा, ठीक है। एनी नंबर ऑफ, या अगर आप बी स्टार ऐड कर दोगे तो इट इज सेम लाइक सेइंग ए प्लस बी स्टार, so it is one and the same thing. Okay, I will tell you that it is, don't worry about right now, that is also correct. Okay, so if you do this expression, that is also correct, so that is not wrong, that is also correct. This is also correct, this is also correct. So go for the language. If your if all the language is generated by your regular expression, it means the expression is correct. So don't see any further, your expression is absolutely correct if the all the languages that is defined by the question is defined. Okay, so another is the easiest one is to, if you draw automata of it, automata was a exactly two ways. So if I just do this, any number of A's and B's can come after it. So if you see this is again a very easy one. So B star, most of you have written this B star followed by A, then there is a B star followed by A. After that, any number of A's and B's can come. It can also be written like this: B star followed by A, B star, A. After that, any number of A's and B's can come. So if I just write it, A star, B star. Just let me see. There is a little bit of a problem here. Yeah, if I just give a string here, let me see. Oh, A, A, B, A, B, A, B. Now there will be a problem here. If I just want to derive another AB, now this contains at least two A's. Now this is not generated by it. See, A you will get from here, B you will get from here, A you will get from here, and then B you will get from here, then A you will get from here, then B you will get from here. After that, that regular expression, we are standing at B here. Okay, so there is no way to go back here, so that AB should also be in that language. Okay, so it will also only be possible if I just write A plus B star. Yeah, okay, so if I just write here A plus B star, so if you remember that, that works like this. If I just A plus B star raised to power 2, it will work like this: A plus B followed by A plus B. Now if you are ending at B, you can again get a and get a B from here. Okay, so that is not correct. The previous one was not correct, so it has to be A plus B star, then it is correct. Okay, again this one is correct, this one is correct, so this one is not correct. Okay, so there is a little bit of problem. So if you try all the languages, you can clearly see it yourself. Now this Atmos 2 has is very interesting. Okay, so
सर
because yes.
सर लाइक जैसे हमारे डीएफएस अलग अलग साइजेस के बनते हैं एंड जैसे एक मिनिमल डीएफए होता है
हाँ
सर,
हाँ हाँ।
वैसे रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशंस में भी होता है कि मतलब डिफरेंट में से एक मिनिमल रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन होगी?
नहीं, ऐसा कोई यहाँ पर चक्कर नहीं है, मतलब ऐसा कोई मिनिमाइजेशन एल्गोरिदम यहाँ पर एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता कि जिससे हम कोई रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन दें वो कम हो जाए। तो रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन आप जैसा भी दोगे वो ठीक है बस। ठीक है, इसमें कोई प्रोसीजर नहीं, कोई प्रोसीजर एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता ऐसा कोई। ओके,
ठीक है सर।
सो अगर आप, मैंने वही बताया, अगर आपका रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन बड़ा भी हो तो वो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बस उसको सारी लैंग्वेजेस जो डिफाइन की हुई हैं वो एक्सेप्ट होनी चाहिए बस। ओके, so now this seems a very interesting problem now because it is, first of all, it is again containing epsilon at most two, so a and b, so this will also be in the language. So let me see how do you tackle it. Okay, so just post the solution. I will again try different solution and try to prove it wrong. Okay, so I think at least, yeah. So Fanindra, yeah, Fanindra has written it. Let me see. The expression of Fanindra, epsilon plus b star. Okay, so any number of b's can come. It means plus b star ab. Yeah, that is also okay. That looks like a very complex expression. Okay, so Fanindra has listed every possible combination. Okay, just let me see if it is true or not. At most two A's. So okay, he also checked the possibility of 1A, 1B. Also check the possibility of any number of B's also. That also seems very correct. Yeah, and then this epsilon is also there. Any number of B's can also come. Yeah, B followed AB, B followed by a AB. Okay, so exactly 1A, exactly 1B. Yeah, that is also fine. If you write a B star here, that seems more complete. Just let me see if I'm able to find any string here that is not in the language. Just let me see. At most two A's. So this is at most two A's. Yeah, that is correct. A B A B A B A A B B. Okay. Yeah, that is absolutely correct. I am not able to find any string that is not in the language. Okay, so anybody, everybody should try it yourself, and if you are able to find any string, tell me. I think from the expressions of it, it looks very correct. That is correct. Okay, so epsilon is also there, 1A is also there, and 1B can also come. Any number of B's can also come, so that possibility is also taken care of. After that, exactly at most 2A, at 2 for 2A's, this is also possible. Yeah, that seems correct. Okay, so okay, so from Priya, it is like a minimized version of expression. Just let me see, B star followed by epsilon plus A, followed by B star epsilon plus, yeah, I think that is correct. Yeah, so it is saying that epsilon and A can come in this. So that is one that is very good. That is the cleanest expression. Okay, so this is, I think that is the same thing, but what here has been done, that they have added epsilon with it. So B followed by a epsilon followed by a. Okay, so if you do not want to follow it, you can follow a epsilon. After that, any number of B's can come. So this is also possibility of B here also, that also exists. So any number of B's can also exist. So that is a very cleaned up version of the same thing. That is also correct. Okay, so I think most of you.
Sir, in Fanendra's expression, if we remove the epsilon,
Yeah.
then it will be valid because already in B star epsilon will be included, right?
Uh, Yeah, that is also fine. If I just write a B star, B raised to power, yeah, that also,
Yeah, my question is that if we can remove epsilon, is it valid or not? Ah, yes.
yeah, it is valid. It is valid. because you can get epsilon because this is plus, so I can b raised to the power of 0, you will get epsilon. That is correct.
Okay, sir.
So I think most of you have got this is the cleanest expression. I think most of you have got this one. Okay. Okay. So again, go for the same thing that you just derive out the language. This is also correct if you don't write epsilon explicitly. If you just raise to the power of b raised to the power of 0, that is absolutely correct because there is a plus here. So it will be either this, either this, either this at any time. So there is a possibility of epsilon by using this. Okay. So if you see that Fanindra what he has done, he has listed every possibility and write a plus sign here. So that is also a very good approach. Okay, so he has also taken care of if single b has come, so this is also very good. After that, a 1b or 1a and come, so it is listed like that. And after that, if 2 is 2 at most 2 is come, so this is that possibility. Okay, so that seems a very uniform expression, and that is a cleaned up version of this the same expression. I think if you just simplify it, I think that you will get the same answer. Okay, so now here, now that we forgot about the length, now we are talking about that the number of a's should be even. Okay, so just try how will you design that thing. Just post it if you got. Number of a's are even, so that is a little bit difficult because the number of a's are even, it doesn't mean it inside of it it can also be a, inside of it and can also be a. So there is no compulsion that I have to write it like this, that a has to be followed by a. I think most of you got it right in the first try. Okay, so it also, yeah.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, in the above question, in Fanendra's expression, can you check for BABB?
B A B B. So it is at most B A. Yeah, that is not possible here. B A B B. Just what can I do to set it? B A.
Sir,
Sir, in
I
second
think you
term,
missed a star in the second term.
Whoa,
sir,
whoa.
I have written a star already.
Okay, you
Yeah,
have
he
it.
has written a star. No, sir, it's only on the B, not the whole expression.
Okay. So the second term,
Yeah, sir. In the last B, he has written a star in the answer.
this term I raise it to power of star. What are you saying?
No, sir. B star, A, B star.
B star A. Acha. B star A B star. So that is not written here.
Yeah, sir. He has written that expression. You just missed the star on the last B.
Okay, I get it. So this was this. So he has written this. I think. Yeah, you're saying this B star A B star. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, I think I got. Fanindra has written this expression. Yeah, I think I wrote it wrong. So B A B B is derived from this. But if you can find another string, let me see. Uh, that is in the language. Can you try another string? Anybody? That is not in the expression. Let me see. All of B. One A and multiple B's are taken care of it. Yeah, I think that now it seems complete. Yeah, absolutely. Again, I will again check it because I have to check it with multiple strings. But I think that is a complete expression. That seems correct. Okay. Okay. So now if I see there are many answers here. Just let me see. Okay. So I just take 12, 16, so 12, 12. So I think the latest answer I got is from Mayank. Mayank wrote e raised to power 2 star plus b plus epsilon raised to power star. Okay, just let me see. uh, Mayank, there is only one problem in that A is always followed by I. That is the problem here. So in between, if that expression comes like A, B, A, that will become wrong. So that cannot be extracted by this. Only this is the problem. Okay. So another one, I think I got from Chahat Bindra. So just let me write it like this: B star A B star A B star. Yeah, so now number of A's has to be even. So yeah, that Chahat has taken care of the if the B can come in between, that is also taken care of. So that is correct. I think that is absolutely correct. But um, because number of A's are even, so zeros A's are also possible. So I think there is only one thing needed, that you should take care of the B star also. Okay, so any number of B's can also come because number of A's are even. It means zero A's is also even. So only but just add a little bit. I think that is correct. Okay, let me see another one. So Raghav has the same expression. Just Raghav add B star. I think you are correct.
Sir, please can you explain, sir, why we have to add B star, sir? This is not
Okay,
clear.
so if you clearly see, it is saying that the number of A's are even. So zero A's can also be in it. So 0 is also even. Okay, so 0, if I just write 0 mod 2, it is again 0, so that is correct. So it means zeros A's can also be in the language. So it means if I just write a B, it should be in the language B B B. This should be also in the language. Any number of B should also be in the language, because even number of A's in this string is there, even number of A's is in this string also, even number of A's in this string is also. Okay, so keep in mind that even, for even, 0 is also even, 2 is also even, 4 is also even, 6 is a 5, 6, 8 is also even. So most of you will forget about that part. Okay, so that is why I have added a B star, because there if you follow this expression, you will always get minimum of 2 A's. Okay, so I also need 0 A's. That is why I have added B star. Okay. Okay, so I think most of you have got that.
Sir, actually, I have a question. Sir, in this, if number of A's are zero, will it be counted as this part of the string? Like, if there are no A's, will it be even?
If there are no A's, that this is even. I'm not understanding your question. Can you repeat? If can you repeat your question?
Sir, I was saying that in that string, if there are no A's, will it be considered the part of the string?
Will it be considered the part of the language? Yeah.
Yes. So, sir, but. Acha, okay, okay, sir.
Okay. So if I just write B, so if you clearly see it, it contains zero number of A's. So I can say that this string has even number of A's. Okay. So because zero is also even. In the same way, if I just say BB, so it doesn't contain any A's, meaning it contains zero A's and two B's. Yeah, so it means that it is in this particular string that number of A's are even. So that is also correct. You get the point. Okay, so the number of A's, if there is no A, it means that there is zero A. So zero A
Sir,
means
I
that.
got it. Sir,
Okay.
got it.
Okay, now the next one, I think
Sir, I have a
that
question.
yeah, please.
So basically, like Ishan pointed out, so like in the previous question also, like once we add plus B star, that I think that power should be different, because if you have to consider 5 times B, then star will be 5. So in that case, the first term will also be having 5 terms, right? So I think the power should be changed in like almost most of the questions.
Power meaning that star should be changed.
Yes, yes. Instead of star, we might use alpha, beta, something else. For example, if we need 5 times B, then star should be B, right? Like star should be 5.
Okay. So that is absolutely right. But the regular expression, if I write a star, it doesn't mean it is independent of another star if it is written. Okay, so
Okay,
if I'm
okay.
writing a regular expression that says A star followed by a B star, it means that this star is independent of this star. I do not have to separately write that it is raised to power n and it is raised to power n. Okay, so if you follow the notation A raised to power n, A B raised to power n, that will become a whole totally different thing. But if you write A star B star, it exactly means that this star is independent of this star. There is no dependence of this star of this. So that is why I am
Okay.
writing star here.
All right, sir. Got it. Got it. Okay, sir.
Okay, so now I think now this question is fairly very basic. It just says that your set of strings just start with A. Set of strings start with A. After that, any number of A and B, I do not need to care about that. Okay, so I think you can easily do this. Any please post the answer. I think that is fairly basic. Yeah, Ishan has got the right one. Raghav has got the right one. That A, after A, it is starting with A. After that, any number of B's, A and B's can come. Okay, so I think you got the point. In the same way, if you say start with A, please try end with A. Okay, so Mayank has got a different one. So just let me try it. A star, B star, A star, B star. Because it is starting Mayank, I don't think that you got the right one, because to start with A you have to make the A very permanent. Okay, so if you write a star on it, it is not permanent, so it can start with B also. So B is also in the language, that should not be the case. Okay, Mayank has got the right answer. A has to be followed by, if you write the draw the automata also, it will also be fairly easy. I think that is the automata. NFA. If more clearly I say, that is the NFA. Yeah. For end with A, I think Saksham has got the right answer, that any number of A's and B's can come in the starting. It has to be ending with A. Yeah. Raghav has also got the right one. Ishan, ending with, yeah, absolutely correct. Now the problem. Now again, there is another question that we have done contain A. So I think you can also write this. It is just contain A. So contain A will look like this. I think you can get it. A plus B, there should be A plus B. So it is always containing A. So one A is permanent, afterward, before any number of A's and B's can come. Okay. So now what will be different if I just say starting and end with the different symbol that we have done in this tube? Write the regular expression of starting and end. If I just say with different symbol. Now, now please write the regular expression for this also. Anybody? Okay, you just has to add a plus with it. If it is starting with A, it is ending with B. If it is starting with B, it is ending with A. So these are two things that you have to do different individually, and then add a plus sign it. I think Fanindra has got the right thing. Okay. So if you clearly see, if it is starting with only two possibilities are here. If it is starting with A, absolutely right by Mayank and uh, Bansal also. Okay. It is starting with A, it is ending with B. Okay, so any number of A's and B's can come in between, but it is always ending with B. Plus, if it is starting with B, any number of A's and B's can come in between, it is ending with A. So that is also the correct. Okay, so I think you got the point here. Okay, now if I just yeah, Raghav has also got the right answer. Okay, so Isha, why would you put epsilon in here? So there is no need of epsilon. If it is a star here, A plus B raised to power star, it is understandable. There is no need of epsilon. Okay. So again, if you write it that, but the epsilon is not needed. Okay. So we start and end with the same symbol. Chirag has also got the right. Okay. Same symbol. Now it seems a little bit of different, because if you see start and end with same symbol, epsilon will also be in it, A will also be in it, and B will also be in it. Okay, so you can do what you can do. You just add sign and add and write that the starting with A, ending with A, starting with B, ending with B. I think you got my point, what I'm trying to say. Okay, so just write it. Okay, anybody? It's fairly simple, I think. You just had to add a plus in it and start with same and with same. Okay, so just I write it if you're not able to. So epsilon will be in the language, A will be in the language, B will be in the language, and starting with A, ending with A. So starting with A, any word number of A's and B's can come in between. It's ending with A. Starting with B, any number of A's and B's can come in between. It is ending with B. So that will be your correct answer. I think Varun has got the right one. Okay. So just see this one again. There is a little bit of a problem here. What is the problem here? That epsilon is starting and ending with epsilon, A is starting and ending with A, and B is starting and ending with B. Okay, so I think Mayank also got the right one.